Welcome dear students. So as you all know, names of birds in English. Okay, but today we are going to learn names of birds in Marathi. That means Pakshanchi Nave. Okay, so we are going to learn all these bird names in Marathi. That is Pakshanchi Nave. So let's begin. So the first bird you can see here is sparrow. So in Marathi we say it as chimney. For sparrow in Marathi we say it as chimney. And this is crow. So in Marathi we say it as kavla. For crow in Marathi we say it as kavla. Now this is parrot, and in Marathi we say it as popat. Okay, in Marathi we say it as popat. This is duck, and for duck in Marathi we say it as badak. We say it as what? Badak. This is peacock, and in Marathi we say it as more. More. This is ostrich. Okay, this is an ostrich, and in Marathi we say it as shahamurg. We say it as what? Shahamurg. More and shahamurg. The next bird you can see is cock. That means in Marathi we say it as komda. For cock we say it as in Marathi komda. And for hen, now this is a hen. For hen we say it in Marathi as komdi. So for cock we will say komda, and for hen we will say komdi. Now here you can see eagle and eagle. Okay, so for this eagle in Marathi we will say it as garud. Okay, we say it as garud. And for crane in Marathi we say it as bagla. We say it as what? Bagla. Garud, bagla. So children, I hope you all enjoyed learning this lesson, that is names of birds in Marathi. That means Pakshanchi Nave. Okay, you all enjoyed learning this, all names in Marathi of birds. So that's all for today. Thank you children.